This time my mission is going to be the black-faced warbler. So today I am going to the Kathmandu Valley in Godawari. So I came in this place to photograph some black-throated teeth and mountain bulbul. But after a long wait, finally my wait is over. I was so surprised with many black-faced warblers in a flock, and they are sharing the same piece of the water for bathing. After photographing and filming of the black-faced warbler, I have decided head back to the home. Godawari is a paradise of the birds, where you might see many different species of beautiful birds. If you are in a Kathmandu, if you would like to go for birding, I would definitely recommend you to go in a Godawari. So if you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.